Hello, today we will guide you through how to link Exness to MetaTrader 5. If you want to connect your Exness trading account to the MetaTrader 5 app, this process is fairly simple once you know where to find the account details. The key part is making sure you use the correct server and login information from your Exness app, then enter those details into MT5 carefully. Begin by opening the Exness app on your device. Once the app is open, look toward the right side of the screen and tap on Settings. This is where you can find the connection details needed for your trading account. When you are in the settings area, scroll down toward the bottom and tap on Copy Server. This server information is important because MetaTrader 5 uses it to locate and connect to the correct Exness account. Copying it directly helps avoid typing mistakes, which can cause login errors later. After that, leave the Exness app and open the MetaTrader 5 app. In MT5, look for the option to add a trading account and tap on Add Trading Account. This will take you to the account connection screen where you can begin entering your broker details. Now paste the server you copied earlier from the Exness app into the appropriate field in MT5. Take a moment to confirm that it has pasted correctly. Even a small extra space or incorrect character can stop the connection from working properly. Next, go back to the Exness app again and copy your login. This is the account login ID you will use to connect your Exness account to MetaTrader 5. Be careful to copy only the login information and keep any private details secure while switching between apps. Return to the MT5 app and paste that login into the required field. Once that is done, enter your password manually in MT5. For security reasons, it's best to type the password yourself rather than copying and pasting it. After entering the password, follow the prompts shown on your screen to complete the sign-in process. If everything has been entered correctly, your Exness account should link successfully to MetaTrader 5. If it does not connect on the first try, double-check the server, login, and password details, since most issues come from a small entry mistake. And that's it. You have now gone through the process of linking Exness to MetaTrader 5.